how to turn this piece of plywood into this ring. Now, first thing first, you need to know the size of the finger or the person's finger you want to make the ring for. So you'll need one of these circle templates. Depending on the finger, just insert the finger in the size of the hole you want. And trace that circle on the piece of plywood. And the outer circle, go maybe 3 sizes bigger, okay? And then we'll fix the thickness afterwards, okay? So then all you need to do is find the center, do like a plus sign, and it sort of looks like a target right now. So now we're ready to cut the hole. Okay, so now I'm all ready to cut the center hole. Now, as you can see here, I drilled a hole right in the center of this the plus sign. The reason for this is that once you start cutting your hole here, if you go straight through, chances are it'll chip on the other side, okay, like this. So by doing the hole, you go halfway, you flip your board around, then you still have a hole there to guide you, and then you finish off on this side, okay? So we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that my hole has been drilled, as you can see here, we'll just use the bandsaw now to cut around. Now, don't worry about cutting on the line right now. Just do a rough cut around. We'll use the sander afterwards just to sand it down to the outer line. Okay. So once you're done doing the rough cut, it looks something like this. Now we're ready to sand it down, round it out, and we'll fix the width afterwards once everything has been narrowed down and taking shape. Okay, so once you're done sanding out the round form, it doesn't need to be evened out at this point. Now we'll start working on the width. So what I suggest is take just an old wooden handle that the ring will fit on, so you can just press on the disc sander or down on the belt just to narrow down the width of the ring, okay? So once you've decided how narrow you want the ring to be, now it's time just to round off the corners. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this side sand disc and just lightly put the ring at an angle and just turn it around until I get the desired angle or the desired curvature of the ring, and then flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. So once we're using the sander, what we're going to do now is just use some regular sanding paper and just lightly sand off any imperfections on the sides, or if you see anything that you wish to work on, and also work on the sides here. So once you've finished sanding and you're happy with your results, now's the time to finish off this ring. Now at this point, you can leave it natural, stain it. It's up to you. But afterwards, once your stain is dry, or right now, if you want to leave it natural, you need to coat this with either a layer of mineral oil or beeswax will do, just so that the grain really pops out and it creates this protective coating around the ring. So right now we're going to use some mineral oil, which will this is going to be purchased at your local pharmacy. So you just need a little. I have this lid here, and now we're just going to dump the ring into this like so. And as you can see here, the colors really pop out. As you can see all the grain of the wood. It's a really nice, nice little project. Now all it needs to do is dry. So the finished product will look something like this. As you can see here, makes it a nice gift to someone. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.